Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who craves a bold, defined eye look that doesn't budge throughout the day, then you'll want to stick around for this one. Today, we're reviewing the TONYMOLY Gel Eyeliner in brown. This gel formula promises long-lasting, smudge-proof wear that holds up against everything from humidity to a busy day at work. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. TONYMOLY's Gel Eyeliner is a rich, satin finish formula designed to give you intense color that lasts. It comes in a convenient gel form, which allows for smooth, precise application with a brush, creating everything from delicate lines to more dramatic smoky eyes. The claim is that this product is not only highly pigmented, but also long-lasting and resistant to smudging, which is definitely a must-have feature for anyone who's always on the go. When I first tested this eyeliner, I was impressed by how creamy and smooth the gel was. It glided onto my eyelids without pulling or tugging, and I could immediately tell that the color was rich and vibrant. The brown shade is warm, not too dark, making it a great option for both everyday wear and evening looks. It's deep enough to create contrast, but subtle enough to not be overwhelming. As for staying power, this gel definitely holds up to its promise. I wore it through a full day, work, lunch, a little light exercise, and came back home with no smudging or fading. It stayed put even during those sweaty moments, and that's something I really value in an eyeliner. If you're someone who struggles with eyeliners running or smudging, this could be a great solution for you. But like any product, there are a few things worth noting. The gel formula, while smooth, does require a steady hand during application. It's not as forgiving as some liquid liners or pencil eyeliners, so if you're in a rush, it might take a little extra time. Also, if you don't clean your brush after every use, the gel can dry out a bit in the pot, but that's to be expected with gel formulas. It's not a deal breaker though, just a small inconvenience. In terms of texture and finish, the satin effect is perfect for those who want something that's not too glossy or too matte. It offers a subtle sheen without being overly shiny, which makes it versatile enough for any occasion. When it comes to value for money, the TONYMOLY Gel Eyeliner is quite affordable compared to many other high-end gel eyeliners. Given its impressive wear time and the fact that you get a solid amount of product for the price, I'd say it's a good investment. Plus, you won't need to reapply during the day, which makes it a reliable staple in your beauty routine. Compared to other gel liners I've used, the TONYMOLY version stands out for its ease of use and longevity. It doesn't require constant touch-ups, and the formula feels comfortable on the skin. Some other gel liners I've tried are a bit too dry or difficult to work with, but this one glides effortlessly, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned makeup lovers. Now onto packaging. The jar is sleek and practical. It doesn't feel overly bulky, and the lid screws on securely to prevent any drying out. However, you do need to be cautious with how much product you scoop out, as gel eyeliners can sometimes get messy around the edges. But that's more about personal application habits than the product itself. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few gel eyeliners out there that also boast long-lasting wear and smooth application. Products like the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner or the Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner could be worth checking out. Both offer similar performance, but at different price points. If you're on a budget, Maybelline could be a great option to consider, though the TONYMOLY liner offers a unique, warm brown shade that's not too common in other lines. So, who is this product really suited for? If you're someone who's looking for a reliable, smudge-proof eyeliner that will stay put all day and doesn't require constant touch-ups, the TONYMOLY Gel Eyeliner is definitely worth a try. It's easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and the color payoff is impressive. The smooth formula and long-lasting results make it a solid addition to any makeup bag. If you've enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Your support means a lot and helps us continue providing you with the most accurate, unbiased opinions. Thanks for watching, and if you've already tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.